Let me know if I get in your way or anything.
Okay.
We just need to find a good spot because we're...
Well, I keep floating north. We're like getting in the path now.
Okay. Yeah, just keep looking ahead.
I almost feel like driving into one of these neighborhoods and just finding a spot in there to film it. But I don't want to be in the left because I'll never get out of there. I want to be in the right side. This would be fine right here if we can. Oh, it's rain rat now.
Yeah. Now, up here, if we go up here, I bet you we can find a spot to stop.
Okay. Maybe back over in there.
Yeah. No, we're not too far. We're not too far north, are we? That we're.
I don't know. It could be. I guess.
Okay, yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, it's not completely. I mean, I can see it.
Yeah.
How do I zoom in? Oh, I see.
Yep. Oh, there it is, man.
Yeah.
See the motion.
Oh.
You can hear it. I think you can hear it, man.
Yeah.
Power flash.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, what direction are we okay?
We're fine for now.
Okay.
If we have to get out of here, we're going to have to turn south. We have to go back to this road.
Uh-huh.
I don't think we've got a route out of here. Oh my gosh, look at all these people on the roads.
Yeah. That's what I'm kind of...
You can hear it, man.
Yeah. Why aren't there tornado sirens going off? That is insane.
Yeah, I don't know. Listen to that thing. Oh my gosh.
This is not good. This is going right through Moore, Oklahoma. It hardly fits in the picture. All right, whenever we need to move, you let me know. Is it going to go north of us?
I think so.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, I think it's going to go just north of us.
Dude, we're not going to get slammed by RFD, are we?
If we are, I'm pointed in the wind, so we're good.
Okay.
Smell that?
Yeah, what is that?
Smoke debris.
Yeah, is that what that is?
Yeah, smoke insulation. Raw wood. So I think we should, I mean, we're in a position now where it's rain wrap, we can't see it. Oh, here's debris falling.
Oh, geez.
We're probably gonna get debris falling on us. Do you wanna stay tight?
Whatever you think. I mean, it's just right there. Yeah, you're right. You can't even see it.
You can roll your
But
window down.
it's huge.
It's gonna miss us to the north.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at all the debris.
Let's hope they don't get hit by
Yeah.
So terrible for
This, yeah. Can't even imagine.
still here though.
Yeah.
I can still hear it.
Oh, yeah. It's just a steady roar. Alright, I'm gonna just... Oh, you can hear it. Look at all the debris falling. Okay, it's definitely just straight to our north. I'm gonna just...
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna head south?
Yeah, to this road, and then I'm gonna go east from here. Southeast, basically, on Clawson.
Yeah. Shit, my phone's about ready to run out of batteries. I guess I got your phone.
Yeah.
You want me to keep filming or?
You can shut off now. It's just.
Right there, right. There's still debris falling.
I see that. Do I see
It's that big black map.
Yeah.
Where the tunnel is, about half mile wide. Staring all sorts. All this is
Yeah, it's right there.
I kind of.
Ooh.
Our flashes?
Yeah, yeah.
They moved through it at a pretty good clip, though.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Lots of power flashes.
All this debris. It's all light stuff.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, jeez. You can still hear the roar. Ooh, now we're starting to get a good view of it.
Zoom in on that.
Okay.
Good call and stopping here.
Jeez.
It's about, what, 2 miles?
Yeah. Sounds about right. a good spot to watch. So let's see, just keep following it. I mean, this is some good film, but yeah, it's gonna move away eventually.
Yeah. Well, if we want to stay with it, we'll have to go. We'll have to keep on going east and north, obviously. Here's how the visibility comes and goes with it. You know?
Yeah.
Massive RFD.
Okay, let's go. Sound good?
Yep.
Okay.
We might be stuck here a while.